Hey everyone! Welcome, welcome, welcome!
Fun for larger aliens. Subscribe! We're back today.
What are we making today?
A puppet.
We're making puppets. Alrighty. So guys, we're making puppets. Yeah. So we have different puppets for different colors. We have pink, yellow. What color is this?
Red.
Yeah, it is red. How about this one?
Orange.
It is orange. How about that one, Liza? How do you say it in Spanish? Good job. So we have, guys, 6 different colors, so 6 different puppets we can do. And we basically got this little puppet kit from Amazon. And in the puppet kit, you got 6 different puppets. And it also comes with this instruction, which it shows you different puppets you can make with these puppets. So let's see what puppet do you want to make, Elijah? Look at different puppets.
And guys, we got this from Amazon, and we will post the link down below.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the yellow one. Pick one for me.
Orange.
All right, orange. What color you want, Lottie? What color you want?
Orange.
I guess I got the yellow. You got the orange, Elijah. He wants orange.
I got the blue.
So my hand don't even fit in this.
My hand fit.
Oh, it does fit. Never mind. Take it back. It fit.
I just...
Had to force it in there, but yeah.
How do you do it?
Okay. So the way you do it is you go open your hand. Open your hand. All right. You got the thumb. Your thumbs. Where are your thumbs at?
Right there.
Right there. Right there. Do this.
Hello. We're gonna make puppets.
Open your hand.
What's your puppet gonna be called?
That's
I
right.
know.
Yellow
Yellow.
puppet.
But you're orange. Open your hand. Open hand. Close it. Open. Close it. Open.
Why my puppet looks so
See?
weird? I'm gonna
All right.
eat Elliot
Let's make our puppet, guys. So my puppet's a yellow puppet, so I'm making a chicken.
So you don't have to. You make whatever you want to make. Those are just ideas.
I know.
Blue bird.
It's a penguin.
No. Penguin.
Yeah. So let's open this up.
Question: do you want to do just a video making Elijah do
My
something that makes
color
you-
is green, so you gotta make an elephant.
All right. So we're gonna put ours aside, and we're actually gonna help Elliot and Elijah do theirs. So in here we have. Ooh, we got extra pieces too, Elijah. Yeah, there's extra
What do you
pieces.
wanna make,
So what do you want to make first? You want to make? All right. So these are the hands for the puppets. We got that.
Wing.
2 hands. 2 hands. Here you go, the other hand. Mama's not making hers right now.
Okay.
And Elijah has the orange
What
hand.
color arm you want, Lottie?
Orange.
Orange arm.
Good job, boy.
Okay, you got
You
1
can mix and match.
and 2.
And guys, we use hot glue gun, so be careful because it's hot.
It is hot, hot.
Wait, let me turn mine.
Oh, let's see what else we got, Elijah. Let's see what else we got.
I'm gonna make blue eyes.
We can't put blue eyes, Elijah. Look, the orange, Lottie.
That's
This is
my horse.
blue. Here you go, your face.
How about if we make a monster, Lottie, since it's Halloween and we got an orange puppet?
There you go, your face.
How about a
Let's see
monster?
if we can find.
Let's get this puppy.
Look. You'll make, look at this.
The Frankenstein.
What you want to make? Do you want to make the penguin or do you want to make something different?
The penguin.
You want to make the penguin? Okay. Do you have a black hair for the penguin? Penguin, thank you. Have the hair for the penguin. Penguin's hair.
That's the bow tie.
Oh, that's a bow tie.
Uh-huh.
You're putting way too much stuff on there.
Lottie, what are all these?
Dang.
Okay.
I put a mustache.
What's my nose? What's a yellow nose that Lottie had?
Look, a Frankenstein here, Lottie.
This is a yellow nose.
No, I'm sorry, not yellow, orange.
Orange nose. This?
No, it's a tiny triangle.
Oh, over there, Elijah got
Oh,
it.
Elijah, you had the nose for the penguin. The little beak. See? Beak.
Alright, watch out your hand, Lottie.
And
I'm
we need
coming
2
with the hot
eyes.
glue for what color arms do you want? Orange?
Orange.
What if we have no arms, Lottie? What if we do no arms?
And you need 2 eyes, Elijah, right? Look. Put it back. 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 for your beak. And then, oh no, the beak goes the other way.
Which way does the arm go?
Whichever way you put it.
Uh,
There you go, look.
is this the way?
Oh, there's two hands in here,
Next
right?
arm model?
And parents, make sure this is actually the part that y'all gotta take control of, which is the hot glue gun.
Are
This gets
you
really, really wet.
hot?
Yes, it does.
Are you getting hot right now?
It is getting hot right now, so we're gonna put a little bit on the eye.
Move it. Move it. Move it.
And put it right where it's at.
I don't know.
And then-
Okay, Elliot. How about like
Mom,
a
you gotta make an
zombie
elephant.
fog?
Mom, you gotta make an elephant.
Mhm.
Hot, hot, hot!
What?
It's hot.
You're hot?
Look. That's the face. Don't touch it, it's hot.
Ha ha ha. Is it ha ha ha?
Mm-hmm.
Ha ha ha?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like.
Ellie, what else
Alright,
do you want
you
to
ready?
put on there?
What else you, alright, Elijah. I got the hair on there.
But
I'm about to put the arms. What else you want to put on there? Make sure you have it all lined up, Elijah.
a hand on it? No,
Uh-huh.
no. And two hands.
Okay, what else?
No.
Something else?
And guess what I want?
Alright, what do you want?
Also
We'll put it. Alright, what else you want to put on there?
this.
Hot, hot, hot.
This.
Alright, where you want to put it at? What is that?
I don't know.
So where you want to put it at? What, you want to put it right
Yeah, that's the tongue.
here? Look, Mama, look, ours got a tongue.
Oh.
What else, Elijah? What else you got? What else you got?
I'm gonna give you a tongue.
Okay, we're gonna put a tongue in.
You already got some hair. You want to put some more hair on something?
Mm-hmm.
How about this one? What is this?
Just take it over there.
The Frankenstein mustache.
We got a Frankenstein here.
Well, that's cheating.
Uh,
Cause we want a Frankenstein hair.
yeah,
Oh,
there
this
is
is
something.
a Frankenstein here.
Yeah, but I have
Ooh,
no
ooh,
crease.
ooh, ooh. Let's see. You want to put some mittens? No? We'll get you different color. They also have.
Red.
I'm just using that one. Oh no, I'm not using that. I have this one too. Look,
Well, okay, you can get the
I
red.
have this. I
Yeah.
don't know what this is. I guess it's broccoli arms.
What else are we in?
We're gonna put that
Put
in.
it right there.
Where's that supposed to be?
Where the eyes?
Right here. There.
Oh yeah, we do got puff balls. Alright, where you gonna put these puff balls at?
Right there.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Alright, what else? So, just put it where you want me to put it at, and then I'll do the hot glue gun later. So show me what else you want. And this part, guys, creativity and imagination, guys. We're gonna do 1, 2, and
Yeah, too bad you got
3.
one.
Purple. Oh, purple. That's nice.
Oh, great, no, I didn't pick one.
Hold my hand and
I got
put it
blue,
down.
red, white. Which one you want?
Good job.
Red?
Can the purple one be right there?
You can-
You tell me where you want it at.
I want right there.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm on this side.
And can I have this blue, please?
Alright, show me where you want this at.
What color puffball you want to know? Oh, you want that nose? Okay, right there. And then a red
Alright,
puffball
where you want
on
the
the
blue
nose.
Right there.
You only need one nose.
No.
Right where?
Right there.
Okay, what else you got? What else you got?
Alright.
Yellow.
Okay, yellow. Where you want the yellow at?
Look like it.
Oh, look, we can get horns.
Kind of Christmassy like.
I don't want one.
Okay, anything we're not using, let's take it off. That's good.
Can let me
Okay,
it
Lottie,
now.
now let's decorate.
Let me try. You ready?
What?
Hello, Elijah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey, Elliot.
And
Hello. Noggin. Give me some noggin. 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 Noggin, Elijah. Noggin. Give me some noggin. Dude. Dude.
Remember we had a puppet?
What else do you want on yours, Lottie?
What are we gonna name this puppet?
One versus Roger and Elliot.
Look, we can give the puppet horns.
No, I don't want horns.
Why? That makes him look evil.
I just said I don't want horns.
Okay.
I'm purple.
That was rude. Hurt my whole feelings.
These are still horns. Oh, those are ears. Those are ears.
Oh, look, green ears. The ears go up top. Ooh, we could do one green ear and one purple ear. How about that? Nice.
Oh, that's gonna be the tongue right here.
But we already have a tongue.
No, like 3 tongues.
3 tongues. And 3 eyes.
No.
All right. But wait, what about these? We gotta put these on before you put your hands on. Where you want to put these at?
Right here.
Right where?
Right here.
Okay, what are these supposed to be?
Extra.
Ears.
But his ears go up top, not the bottom. How about, are your ears down here?
No.
Where your ears at?
Right here.
Okay then. You can't put the ears in the bottom. That's weird. Is that where you want ears? Huh? Okay, I gotta take it to Mama. I gotta take Elijah to the doctor's. He wants us to move his ears down lower. Oh, that's nice, Lottie. Look at Lottie, Mama. Elijah, that was glued to his.
A white puff ball right there. I'm gonna put the ears right here.
Ellie,
Okay.
look, yours
So how
is
many
all
ears
done.
are we gonna give him?
Here, Ellie.
3.
And only if we would have known. You wanna take this nose off and put this one? Elijah, what is up with you putting the nose on the eyes?
Let me see.
Look.
Wow, a piggy nose. How are you gonna put a pig on a pumpkin?
Out of what?
On a pumpkin. On a pigway. All done, Lottie.
What?
Oh, look. We can put these. We put these, look. We put these right here and space them out. Look like this, look.
Can we have
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
eyes, please?
I'm gonna show you, hold on. I'm gonna show you something cool, Ready? Look, you put the teeth like this. I'm gonna show the camera, right? And you space them out just like TT's.
Let me see.
Woo.
Where your teeth at? Let me get some.
Don't worry about it, it's our teeth. But yeah, guys, we're gonna space the teeth out like this. For TT.
I don't want these.
You don't want teeth? But it's supposed to be teeth like TT's. You don't want teeth like TT's?
What?
Huh? You don't want the teeth? Wait,
put
oh,
the
then they
teeth
put it on. Oh, see, Mama about to put teeth on.
That's horn. That's horn.
Yeah, but Mama's gonna put them on like tusk. What is you doing, Cody? Your thing got tusk? It got horns? Golly, Jesus. Let's put them teeth on.
Jesus Christ. Let me get that back.
You gotta wait, because we're putting our teeth on first.
I don't want these.
We got that one teeth. You don't want teeth like TT's?
Mm-mm.
Oh, man. TT's gonna get upset with you now.
Where's the legs?
Your arm is the leg. What is that?
The clown.
It's a clown, reindeer, monkey,
What?
cow.
No.
Uh-huh. Elephant.
Oh.
It has tusks like an elephant.
Oh, I thought that was like.
Those are elephant tusks.
Oh.
The funny thing is that the teeth is in
And it's a chicken too, because it has a chicken little thing on top. Elijah's is a 3-eyed penguin with a snake's tongue, and it has super strength. Hold on. Put belly here.
Thanks for watching.
Good job.
Hope you subscribe and like to win 1,061 subscribers.
Yeah.